Namaste. Welcome to Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur's Club Insomnia Kitchen. I am Chef Anupam and today we are here to present one of the basic soups, that is cream based soups. Now there are various cream soups you can prepare. You can prepare vegetarian, you can prepare non-vegetarian basis. So I am going to prepare here some of the cream soups that we are going to show you. To help me to prepare this cream soup, I have the president of Club Insomnia, Chef Shad. So Shad, welcome back. What is cream soup?
So cream soup is basically a thick soup,
Okay.
which is based on bechamel sauce.
Very good. Bechamel sauce or white sauce. The recipe how to prepare bechamel sauce is already been shared. Preparing cream of chicken soup. To prepare this dish, need white chicken stock, bechamel sauce. The recipe of how to prepare white chicken stock is already shared with you. I have some chicken chopped and this is already boiled, which we'll use in the soup. We have cream. For seasoning we have salt and pepper, fresh herbs chopped parsley I am using, and I have tri pepper chopped, which I will use as a garnish. I also have herb oil that we will use for the garnishing of the soup. Now three basic things you require for preparation of cream soup. One is stock. It can be veg, it can be non-veg on the basis of what preparation you are making. Second is bechamel sauce. And third is the puree of vegetables. If you are making chicken soup, so chicken, chopped chicken. If you are making cream of mushrooms, so puree of mushrooms. So that is how we'll start. So as we have already mentioned that when you mix liquid along with the anything thickening agent, one should be on hot, one should be cold. So our stock is hot, a little bit we'll heat it. Okay. Then we will add our bechamel sauce. Now we'll mix it properly with the whisk. Please whisk them so that there is no lumps formation. Now you have to get nice coating consistency of this, but it is a soup, but it should not be very thick. It's a thick soup, it should coat the spoon. That is how it should be. Our soup has simmered for half an hour. So now you see that it has a very nice coating consistency. It's a thick soup, it should form a coat on back of your spoon. So let's do the seasoning of it. We will add salt as per the taste. Now when you use white sauce is already seasoned, so we will always check our seasoning and then do it. Then we will add white pepper powder. How to add white pepper powder, Mr. Shad?
So as you told in the previous video, before adding white pepper powder, you have to put in any liquid medium because they don't form any lump.
Very good. You have seen the video and you have seen this. So this is what you have to do. You have to first make a paste of white pepper powder and then you have to add in this so that your white pepper powder does not form any lumps. Now to make it middle bit, it's already white in color, but still to get it good taste, we will add little bit of cream. Some chopped chicken in this. Now this is boiled, you can also saute and add. We'll keep half for the plating and half I will add in this. Just whisk it little bit. Now one more thing I would like to tell our viewers always, that whenever you are adding chopped chicken in this, in case there are lumps in your soup, so first strain it through Shenova, which is a very fine conical strainer, and then again boil and add your chopped chicken. So that will add more fineness, texture to your soup. So let's taste for the seasoning, whether salt and pepper is there or not. Perfect. Now we'll do the plating, and for plating we have chopped chicken, chopped tri peppers, which we will saute a little bit with the butter, and then we'll do the final plating. Now our plating of cream of chicken is done. Now you see that how steam is coming from here and it's piping hot. And I have added chopped chicken which is sauteed, chopped fresh herbs. I have used parsley, herb oil, and cream soups are best when it is served with croutons. So I have used crouton bread. I have used with red, yellow, green capsicum which is again sauteed with microgreens, and to add some color on this we have beetroot coral, and our plating is done. Taste this delicious cream of chicken soup. Today I have my colleague Mr. Amit, and because of him most of the ingredients we get in the kitchen, and he's one of the person who works behind the curtain, and I have called him to taste her and give us the real taste of how it is, sir. Please taste.
Thank you very much, sir, for calling me and to taste soup. Awesome.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And see, that is why I said that the soup is looking nice, it is smelling nice, and you can see that it has a very good taste. So all of you enjoy this soup at your home. I, Chef Anupam, along with Chef Shad, Amit sir, and on camera we have Sahars Tiwari, would like to thank you for watching the video. Keep liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. We'll come up with different various recipes of cream soups. Thank you.
Thank you.